There's a new regulatory game in town for U.S. drone operators. The FAA, which of course regulates stuff in the air, has outlined its plans for remote ID broadcasts from drones. In other words, drones are about to get essentially license plates. Quote, all but the smallest drones will have to broadcast a radio signal identifying them and their location under new Federal Aviation Administration regulations, according to a summary of the action reviewed by Bloomberg News. The new regulations, portions of which will come into play after 30 months of them becoming effective, are an important foundation required before drone deliveries and other commerce can occur. They mark the most significant regulatory expansion in drone capabilities since the devices first trickled into civilian markets starting about a decade ago. The new rules will be, quote, an essential building block toward safely allowing more complex drone operations, the agency said in the summary. The new regulation will require drones weighing more than 0.55 pounds or 0.25 kilograms to broadcast their identity on a lower power radio frequency, such as Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. In that way, police or other authorities can monitor nearby drones. The regulations also allow for existing drones to be retrofitted with such a system. The rule doesn't require that the devices broadcast on a signal that can be transmitted by mobile phone networks to a national tracking network, a measure that was originally included in a proposal unveiled last year. Hobbyists who fly the devices at government-approved sites can seek exemptions so long as they're flown in restricted areas identified to the FAA. The new rules are an attempt to address the explosion of drone use. The FAA has registered almost 1 million recreational drone users, and they owned 1.3 million of the devices as of last year. An additional 385,000 commercial drones have been registered with the agency according to its data, end quote.